Brizy comes with an abundance of fonts that you can use, and connected in both free and pro versions of all Brizy products, you can get all those Google fonts within Brizy to work with. And there are cases where you will have to bring in custom fonts. And how do you do that, especially when you have variations? I have a font here that's got 3 variations. A variation is the thickness of the stroke or the line or the width. You know, we have it as light or regular, and you can see here that it also has a number associated with it. This is 100, 200, and 400. And if you're interested, you can learn those numbers to understand 400 is usually your regular width, and then below 400 it becomes light, and over 400 to 900 it goes all the way from semi-bold to black. So we've got 3 versions here, and I'll go ahead and I'll download this font. And after downloading it, here in my folder, I'm going to bring it into Brizy now. Anywhere you have a text element on your page, simply select it, go to the T far on the left, and then click on Add New Font and select Upload. Now you have access to Google Fonts in the free and pro versions. For the custom fonts though, you will need Pro. The first thing you'll need to do is give this family, all of these 3 versions, a name. This one is called Lighters. Then after that, you click on Continue, and this is where we're going to add the variations. We start here, and remember I told you 400 is your normal weight. So check here for the font weight. We start with normal, and then we click on Upload, go to my Lighters folder. Gratefully, they've numbered it nicely here for us. So 400, and remember 200 is light. Click on that, and then say Add Font. Then it will give me the option to bring in the new font. So this one is going to be light, and that is going to be our 200. Let's just make sure, yes. And then Add Font. And then the third one, click on Add New Font Variation. And this is going to be thin, right? Let me make sure. They put it on extra light at 100. I think that's thin. Let's put it there. They skipped 300. Doesn't matter. We only have these 3. Now that we've added them nicely into our group, we just click on the end there and done. Now when I go to my text, you will see it appears here at the top. Lighters. Wow, nicely done. That's normal. And then we can try thin. And then also light. Really like the normal there. And we can reduce the size of this so it fits in nicely. I just click and hold on the down button. But the big one was pretty awesome. So what we can do here is make it big, throw some spice on there. And that is how you work with these different variations when you bring in a custom font. What we can do here is bring in an enter return for that. And then we select our photography, go to T for typography, and put this then on thin so that we have a little bit of an extra variation. And to make it a little bit more design friendly, I will go to the line height and reduce it so we bring this closer to each other. Click on this one, just add a little bit of a gap above. Nice job, Maurice. 5 stars for bringing in your custom fonts. For more tutorials on Brizy, updates, and news, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.